Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been wondering how potato chips is being done, this video is for you. Watch to the end. So here are all the ingredients you are going to be needing. Very simple, easy and less ingredients. I have my sweet potato here, then salt, scraper that I'll use to peel the back, and water we use to slice it into bits. So the potato is very dirty now, so that the sand will not get contact with the potato. I have to wash it very well. So after washing, I'll peel out the back. You can use your knife here if that is what you have. This potato chips is very lucrative. It is business that you can do and you make money out of it. You will see what we get out of 2 potato today. So I'll continue to peel it until I am done. So this is how I'm going to be cutting it. If you don't have this, you use your knife, but I advise you get this. And for your business, you can get the bigger one, so that it will be very easy for you to do, because that means you are going to be doing a large quantity. There is bigger one of this that you can be using, but this too is very sharp and easy to work with. We all know sweet potato is strong, so you take your time and do it gently. So I will continue to do this until I'm done with the 2 potato. You can cut it into bits that your hand can handle. You don't need to carry all the full one. Just cut it into bits that your hand can handle. And cut it into stripe. You see how flat they are. That is what we are trying to achieve. So, and here I'm done. You can see how flat they are. Very thin. So the next thing, I'm going to be soaking this inside salt water. This is my water. I'll add 1.5 teaspoon of salt into it. Then I'll put in the potato. I'll allow it to soak inside the salt water for 3 to 4 minutes before bringing it out. So after 4 minutes, I'll bring it out into my sieve. You can towel dry this, or you just put it inside your sieve and allow all the water to drain before frying. Please don't skip this part of adding salt. Some people don't add salt, but to enhance the taste, please add salt to yours to make your customer come back for more. So I'll allow the water to drain or to dry it, then you start frying your sweet potato chips. My oil is hot. I'll be putting it inside the oil. Don't let your oil to be too crowded, and don't let the sweet potato to lie on each other. Please don't leave it unattended to. Continue to turn it. And here the color is changing. You see it's getting fried. Still continue to fry it so that it will be very crispy, crunchy. When it is not brown and you pack it, it will be soft. It will not be that crunchy. So here we are done. It is very ready to go out of the oil right now. So I'll be packing it out of the oil. This can stay for long without getting cold. It will be very crunchy, nice. So, and here I'm done with all the chips. You can see what we get from 2 sweet potato. So like I said, it's a very creative business that you can be doing. Thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for always watching. If you have watched to this extent and you have not liked, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. So I'm going to be showing you how you can package yours for sales. If it is for home use, how you can package it for your children, lunch bag, and so let's continue watching the video. And here is the leather I'm going to be using for this package. And here you can see the packaging. There is another smaller leather. I'm going to be showing you that too. And this is the smaller size of the leather. This is the bigger one and this is the smaller size. So you can package it in any form you like, just for it to look attractive. Don't let it burn. Fry it. Let it just be golden brown. And you can as well package it in this jar. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed. See you all. Bye.